Eastern TV, of course. Not seeing my eyes, okay? Bye-bye. This is oh boy. I think sorry, you can't see it. I will show you the picture. This is Coldland, which is a country somewhere near the North Pole. The weather in Coldland is winter all the time. When it isn't snowing, it's freezing. When it isn't freezing, it's snowing. So you can't imagine how cold it is. I am a Korean person.
너 이거 유튜브 너무 재미없어. 누가 보겠니? 이렇게 찍으면?
Sorry. Because it is so cold in Coldland, everybody who lives there is cold as well. Because everybody has a red nose. Even an elephant, even you, even me, even everybody, even a football. Because everybody has a red nose. And people in Coldland aren't the only ones with red nose. In Coldland, you can see red nose dog, elephant, anything that's animal, people. In Coldland, you can see red nose dog chasing red nose cat, chasing red nose mouse. And in Coldland, you can ever see red nose elephant. Of course you can. Anyway, let's keep on doing it. This page is violent. And what you hear the most of the time in Coldland is a noise that sounds like this. The sound of the sneeze is very common in Coldland, which is not surprising. Surprising, isn't it? Achoo! Oof, that is rough. My toes are dying. My toes are dying. But they're so cold. It's so cold. Here it is. Not cold anymore. This is a story of Mr. Sneeze, who lived in a small snow-covered cottage in Shivertown, the capital of Coldland. I'm flying away! Every morning, Mr. Sneeze woke up. Sneezed, got up, sneezed, got dressed, sneezed, went downstairs, sneezed, ate his breakfast, sneezed, and went to walk, still sneezing. I don't like this sneezing all the time, he thought to himself every day, until one day he decided to leave Kola and try to find a cure for the sneeze. So that very same day, Mr. Sneeze packed the thing, sneezed, locked his front door, sneezed, and set off. He walked and sneezed, and walked his way across Coldland. Then he sneezed and walked and sneezed. He walked and sneezed for days and days until Coldland was far behind. And of course, everyone was asking, where's Mr. Sneeze? As he walked away from Coldland, he noticed that there was less and less snow. And eventually he walked so far that there was no snow at all. And as he walked, he noticed something else. He wasn't walking and sneezing. He was walking and walking. Wait. This is not my underwear. For the first time in his life, he wasn't sneezing. Not at all, not a bit. Not even a tiniest I wonder why I'm not sneezing, he thought to himself. But he must have thought his thought out loud himself, because a voice behind him replied, "You're not sneezing because you haven't got a cold." Mr. Sneeze jumped, turned, and there behind me stood a wise old wizard. "What's a cold?" asked Mr. Sneeze. "A cold is what you catch when you're too cold all the time." "Nonsense," said the wizard. "I can be too cold all the time because of the sun." And he pointed to the sun, which was smiling in the sky. "But we don't have any something cold now," said Mr. Sneeze. "No sun!" exclaimed the wizard. "How extremely exciting! We'd better do something about that, hadn't we?" "Yes," agreed Mr. Sneeze, not quite knowing what the wizard is talking about. "How far away is this place called Coldland?" asked the wizard. "Oh, it's miles and miles and miles away," replied Mr. Sneeze. "In which direction?" asked the wizard. Mr. Sneeze pointed. "Shouldn't take long," said the wizard, who then waved his wand and mumbled some magic words. There which won't be magic if it told what they were. Whatever those magic would work. They worked before you could say. Sneeze, both of the wizard and Mr. Sneeze were transported to Shivertown, which you will remember is the capital of Coldland. As usual, it was snowing. I said, "It is a cold, gloomy place," said the wizard. "Achoo," replied Mr. Sneeze, who had started sneezing again. "Coldland certainly needs some sunshine," said the wizard, "and that's what he will take some rather special magic." "Please hurry up," said Mr. Sneeze, who was turning into a snowman. "Now," said the wizard, ignoring him, "I'm going to say some magic word, and I want you to sneeze 3 times, imagining afterwards." The wise old wizard then held up his magic wand and mumbled some more magic words, which again won't be a magic if told they were. "Achoo, achoo, achoo," sneezed Mr. Sneeze, then quiet suddenly as if by magic, which indeed it was the sun, came out from the big black cloud and stopped snowing. "There now," said the wizard, "I should stop the sneezing." And then, after mumbling some of the magic words, and without waiting to even say goodbye, he disappeared. Mr. Sneeze just stood there in the sunshine, watching the snow begin to melt. After that, the sun shone every day, and today, Coldland isn't anything like it used to be. You can see red-nosed dog chasing red-nosed cat chasing red-nosed mice anymore, and these days, the sound of the sneeze is a very uncommon sound indeed. And even Sneeze doesn't sneeze anymore. And that isn't the only thing different about Mr. Sneeze, as he discovered himself when he was looking in the mirror one morning. Can you see what was different of Mr. Sneeze? It happened one other time too. See if you can find it where that was. End of the thing.